Video number 6. How can agencies set up Google My Business? If you work as an agency for multiple businesses and locations, you may register as such on Google My Business. As an agency, you enjoy more robust GMB account management options and tailored support from Google. In this video, find out how agencies can set up GMB profiles and get the best results. Signing up as an agency on GMB. To start the agency registration process, navigate to business.google.com/agency signup and enter your agency website URL. You'll also need to use a Google account that's associated with your company's email and doesn't currently own or manage locations. Signing up as an agency for Google My Business gives you access to a GMB account structure that's designed for third parties to manage all their listings under one account. A Google My Business agency account also gives you the ability to create user groups for managing teams within your agency. After you successfully complete your registration as an agency, you can structure your team and listings from your Google My Business agency dashboard. Here are some of the buckets that Google allows you to use to manage users. Organization. This is the highest level profile associated with your agency. User group. This is a group to manage users within your agency. User groups can only be created by organization users and can be given access and permission to manage location groups. Location group. This is a set of business locations managed by a user group or organization. Location groups can only be created by organization users. Managing users. User groups let you create teams of people within your agency to manage specific locations or location groups in your Google My Business agency dashboard. By creating a user group, you're grouping together people you want to have the same level of access to certain locations. Anyone in your organization can create a user group. You can add people to a user group as owners or members. Here's a summary of the different capabilities of each role. To create a new user group, sign into your GMB agency account and click Manage Users. Click Create User Group. Enter the name of your group, then click Create Group. Once the user group is created, you can start adding owners and members. To add owners and members to a user group, add the email address of the user you want to invite. You can invite them to be an owner or member of the group. To remove owners or members from a user group, click Manage Users. Click the menu for the user group and choose Manage. Click the X for the person you want to remove, then click Remove. Managing location groups. Sorting your locations into groups makes it easier for your agency to manage multiple locations on Google My Business and keep them organized. You can apply changes and share access to multiple listings at once. To create a new location group, click Manage Locations. Click Create Location Group. Enter the name of your group. Click Create. Start adding locations. To add a new location to an existing location group, click Manage Locations. Use the drop-down menu to choose a location group. Click Add Location. Enter the business name, location, and other details. Follow the prompts to create the new listing. To allow additional location groups to manage an existing location, click Manage Locations. Use the drop-down menu to choose a location group. Click the location you want to manage. Click Users from the menu. In the top right corner, click the icon, then choose Add one of your groups. If you don't see the icon, this means the location owner hasn't granted you the appropriate level of access. Choose the location group and role, then click Add. To transfer existing locations to a group, click Manage Locations. Use the drop-down menu to choose a location group. Check the box next to each location you want to transfer. From the Actions drop-down menu, select Transfer Location. Select the location group to transfer the location to and click Transfer. Switching from personal GMB account to a GMB agency account. If you're already registered on Google My Business, but you wish to switch or migrate from a personal account to a GMB agency account, here's what to do. To migrate a single business location to an agency account, In your organization account, request access to the location you own in your personal account. You'll need to specify a location group for the location to be added to. Sign into your personal account, then accept the invitation you had just sent from your organization account. This will allow your organization to manage the location in the specified location group. To migrate multiple business locations to an agency account. In your personal account, transfer the locations to a single location group. In your personal account, add your organizations as an owner of the location group. You'll need to specify the right organization by entering its 10-digit organization ID. In your organization account, accept the invitation. This will allow your organization to manage all locations in the location group. Once a location is migrated, you may want to remove the location from your personal account. If you'd like your personal account to be added to an organization, you must first remove or transfer all locations directly owned by your personal account. By following these steps, it will become very easy for an agency to create and manage their GMB listing in the most efficient way. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.